beautiful attendance. On behalf of everyone here backstage, I warmly welcome you to an evening that I assure you will be lots of fun. Apart from the fact that we are going to be revealing plans for a fantastic event that is going to be held later on this year. And I really hope all of you are in full mood, full josh, खूब जोश और उसके साथ आए आप. I can hear your voice. Are you guys all ready to have a really good time besides getting some work done? Hey, I need some energy here. Is everyone ready? Come on, we're going to entertain you today. Are you ready for that? Look, I'm sure a lot of you out here have many, many talents, okay? I'm sure the people sitting right here in the front row don't just take photographs. I'm sure you all have hidden talents. And let me tell you, in my worthy experience of having hosted many reality shows, मैंने बहुत सारे अलग-अलग तरीके के लोगों से मैं मिली हूँ, अलग-अलग शहरों में गई हूँ, especially in the smaller corners. And one thing I've figured out is that there is a lot of talent in our country. Okay, yes, there's a whole lot of talent outside our country as well, but there is talent in each one of us. मुझ में, आप में, हम सब में. There is something that is waiting to be explored, waiting to be shown to the world, and somehow, once you get a platform to that talent, it just becomes more valid. It becomes existent, all there. Right? Am I right?
Hello, everyone. It's a great 3D logo, as you can see. This is such an emotional night for me. It was 2 years ago when I sat with Simon drinking a bottle of scotch, and I said, Simon, you know, I'm an Indian, but in my head I'm English, but in my heart I'm a proper Indian. What I want to do is bring Bollywood and the Got Talent brand together. And he said, darling, I think you should. And here we are now, 2 years later, trying to get this show to be an amazing show. We have all the best international acts from around the world, China, Hong Kong, the whole place. And all under one roof, where now India is on the map and it's #1 international market. But for this, I have to thank a few people before we show you other clips. First of all, I have to thank Simon Cowell for believing in me and giving us the license. Secondly, I have to say a very, very warm thank you to Ron Crasto from Fremantle, who's driven this from day one. Obviously, Raj Nayak, the extreme COO, man of all kind, I salute you, sir, for believing me again from day one. He supported me. I mean, I didn't know the pitfalls of India, but Raj kept me safe with those safety nets. Also, I have to obviously thank Sinyog for a great production, but more also, I can't forget my family, RFS, Steve, Frank, Varuna, Karan, and Nena for that. But one more thank you I have to do is because when I come back next time, I want a presidential suite. Thank you, JW Marriott.
And 2 years back, Rav came and met me, and we said, is there something called World's Got Talent? And this is something that they said no, and Rav said, would you like to do something like that? I said, but you know, people have access to YouTube, they watch World's Got Talent, it's not that they don't watch it. And we said, but if we can bring World's Got Talent, or bring talent from all over the world to India, that would be a big thing.
Yeah.
And this is probably the first time that talent from, I don't know, 15, 20 countries from all over the world, and the best talent from all over the world will be here in Mumbai on 6th of December at the Andheri Sports Complex. This will also be a ticketed event, and it's going to be huge. But before I say too much, let me just give you a glimpse of what's in store for you.
First of all, thank you, Darcy. This is wonderful. Fantastic. He got me out of thin air. कहीं से ऐसा उड़ा के कुछ हाथ वाथ मिला के इसने मुझको. I'll show you a magic with Darcy. See. And before I do it, he's from Winnipeg, one of the coldest places in Canada, has made his name worldwide, was showing me some tricks backstage, was fantastic, and I saw you on the Britain's Got Talent stuff where you hang upside down, which was amazing. कभी आपको वक्त मिले तो YouTube में please देखिएगा Darcy को. And मैं भी अपनी एक magic trick करने वाला हूँ. I'm going to make Darcy vanish because I don't like anyone being on stage with me, okay? Darcy, vanish! Big round of applause! Gilly, 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 gilly. Okay, thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you, Colors. Thank you, Fremantle. Thank you, Raj, for having me over here. Thank you, Rav Singh. Where are you, Rav? Yeah, there he is. Rav Singh and, of course, Mr. Simon Cowell, who's not here tonight, but allowing me to participate in this amazing platform that has been created around the world. सारी दुनिया में मैं बार-बार हिंदी में भी रूपांतर कर रहा हूँ कि हिंदी चैनल जो है, क्योंकि कलर्स वाले बार-बार बोलते हिंदी में बोला करो, अंग्रेजी में बोला करो, ऐसा नहीं तो समझ नहीं आता लोगों को, क्योंकि ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म हर कोने में, हमारी दुनिया में, हमारे देश में, दुनिया भर में कहीं ना कहीं पर हम में से हर किसी में कुछ ना कुछ टैलेंट होता है और हमको मौका नहीं मिलता है हर किसी को कि वो टैलेंट को जो है शोकेस कर सके. एंड आई ऑलवेज वंडर्ड, सम ऑफ अस गेट लकी लाइक आई डिड. आई हैड few opportunities, chances where I come from, New Rajendra Nagar in Delhi, where there was a Ram Leela, and there was a director in the Ram Leela, and he saw my talent, and he cast me as a monkey, and which was a good enough start, whatever you cast as long as you get the platform. तो मैंने कई बार बोला है और फिर बोलूँगा, मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलता था, पहला पोर्शन नहीं, सेकंड पोर्शन, बोल सियापति रामचंद्र की, और मैं जय पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय with a long tail. But I got the opportunity. It gave me confidence that I can go and stand in front of hundreds and thousands of people. Actually, Ram Leela is very big in New Delhi, and I could go and perform there. And then slowly, people started giving me opportunities to do a few dialogues. I thought I could mimic actors, which I tried. I was very good at Prithviraj Kapoor Saab, which many of you may not be, the younger ones won't know, but Beta Salim. So I used to do mimicry on stage. I used to do shairi, which was really bad. लोग कहते हैं मेरी आंटी के होंठ गुलाबी हैं, मैं कहता हूँ उनकी आंखें शराबी हैं. ऐसी kind of शायरी करता था. However bad it was, the truth is that I got an opportunity to stand in front of thousands of people, hundreds of people, at 1 a.m. while people were eating moongfali, and showcase what I thought was my talent. And each talent that we have within ourselves requires a platform. So I want to thank Got Talent team, Rav, who's been directing it, Simon Cowell, Raj, for bringing it here. And in the world over, wherever they show it, I just got to know they have one in Afghanistan too. So wonderful, not only just Britain's Got Talent, but India's Got Talent. And it's one of the most amazing platforms. So whoever thought of it and put it together has really done a great service to talents around the world who don't get an opportunity. And I'm sure the farther it is spread, the bigger it is made, we will find some amazing talent all around the world. I won't mention the one I saw with a lady crushing beer cans with her. That was an amazing talent. I mean, Rav, you gotta, yeah, that's the one I want to be, really. Yeah. You've seen that twice? You've done it twice? Okay. Rav is a secret pervert. But thank you so much, all of you, for inviting me over here. And on the 6th of December, as Mini Mathur, the beautiful Mini Mathur, has already announced, and we've seen it, we have a show in Andheri at the Andheri complex where we are going to host Got Talent World Stage Live. I don't know if it has been done before. I'm sorry, I've not educated myself on that, but this perhaps will be the first time anywhere in the world that all the world talent, all the people who have performed on some of these shows, some who are perhaps new, are going to come together and put up a show at the Andheri Sports Complex. And it's a great opportunity for all of us to see the world talent. No competition. I don't think talent has any competition. But it is just going to be an amazing showcasing. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, बहुत खूबसूरत लगेगा जब इतने सारे टैलेंट दुनिया भर के एक जगह पर एकत्रित होकर. मिनी माथुर जो मेरे पीछे खड़ी हैं कि मैं ज़्यादा बोल चुका हूँ, जल्दी से चुप हो जाऊँ क्योंकि उनका पोर्शन आ गया है बोलने का. But I just want to say thank you very much, and I hope all of you are there. All the roads lead there. Thank you, Vinny.
Hi, Sharon.
Thank you very much.
My fault. It was Darcy Oaks. He made me come here before time.
This Darcy बहुत अजीब चीजें कर रहा है.
So ये मेरी गलती बिल्कुल नहीं थी. But since we're talking about Got Talent and how many people have talent, just a while ago before you came, we had this wonderful artist called Mr. Patil who did this wonderful thing. और उन्होंने Got Talent style में आपके लिए कुछ एक बहुत ही unique चीज prepare की है. Would you like to see it?
Yes, actually I've seen him. I just want to mention this कि मुझे हम लोगों को मौका, film stars को मौका तब मिलता है जब हम desperate हो जाते हैं अपनी films को promote करने के लिए और हर reality show पर पहुंच जाते हैं. हमारे को इसमें पोस्टर दो, हमारे को इसमें पोस्टर दे दो. So one of those evenings when I'd gone on India's Got Talent, I saw this young man do this painting, and it's amazing. I've seen his work, and to get a gift from him, yes, most certainly. I like gifts.
Right. This one is coming right up, but just a few minutes ago, while I was hearing you talk about your various talents, we all know that you've been like you have many talents ever since you were very young, and many of them
I
have.
haven't exposed half of them yet.
Exactly my next question. हमें लगता है कि आपके कई सारे talents को बहुत अच्छे platforms मिल चुके हैं. We've seen a whole lot of wonderful things that you do. What are the wonderful talents that you have that haven't got a platform yet?
If I tell you, I'll have to kill you.
Okay, आपकी तरफ से
And if I have to tell you, your husband will have to kill you.
मंजूर है. But honestly, I mean, there's got to be something that you wish you'd shown to the world and got under your belt as well.
This is very vulgar. Showed to the world which you got under the belt. ऐसा लग
I
रहा
can't wait with this man. Whatever I say, it goes wrong.
No,
He's got talent in the
I
family.
just want to say this to you. I don't think I'm very talented. I don't think I have some amazing capacity to be able to do stuff that a lot of people do. मैं सच बता रहा हूँ. और मैं
humility is also one of
नहीं
them.
humility से नहीं, सच में बता रहा हूँ. मैं जब इस शो पर गया था, ऐसी चीजें हैं. This is what I actually want to say कि जो प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है, कभी कभार लोग जो एवरेज चैनल के जैसे भी होते हैं, जैसा मेरा है, प्लेटफॉर्म मिलने से वो निखर आता है, उसमें निखार आता है. लोग जो हैं उसको कॉन्फिडेंस देते हैं, लोग उसको निहारते हैं, टेलीविजन वाले उसको दिखाते हैं. So some of the talents which are really perhaps not the best of them, if they get a platform, I think that is an opportunity that every small, big, weird, strange, new, good, fantastic talent deserves. And I'm just extremely thankful to everyone that I got those platforms, and through Got Talent, World Stage Live, and the shows that are happening, I wish everybody gets an opportunity to showcase that.
Yeah, because we are a country of many talents, and now we've got a place
Extreme amount of talent.
to showcase it. All right, so here's Vivek Patil, who now you've already seen. This is a very special thing that he's done for Mr. Khan here. So here goes. Please don't use any flashlights, guys, for this act again.
लेकिन डॉग को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है. How fantastic is this? What is it? It's called radium painting. What?
Light painting, radium light painting is called.
So how did you? I'm sorry, मेरे को ऐसा इतना अच्छा लगा. मैंने इसको पहले भी देखा था एक बार, और मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि तुमको ऐसा आइडिया कैसे आया?
ये आइडिया रात में जो बच्चे स्टार्स लगाते हैं ना रूम में, वहाँ से आइडिया आया था, तो जस्ट स्टार्ट किया.
And how does this work? You just put light on radium and some stuff happens like Madame Curie did?
ये रेडियम है एक्चुअली, ये लाइट लगाने के बाद ग्लो होता है, तो जस्ट यही कंसेप्ट है.
And you can do this with pencils also and crayons and stuff?
From torches and various lights.
पेंसिल से तुम नहीं बना सकते ऐसा. Okay. Thank God, मुझे लगा ये multi talented है. But please, a big round of applause for Vivek, and this is wonderful here. Well, this is one more step in my self-obsession. मैं अपनी छत पर रात में अंधेरे में लगाकर सोया हूँ. जब सुबह उठूंगा तो अपने से ही मुलाकात होगी. Light will on. Thank you very much. Please, a big round of applause for Vivek. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Fantastic, Vivek. Thank you so much for that. Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest icon, the biggest star is here with us today, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Let's hear it.
Passion for India's Got Talent. I've seen it personally, and this is a small incident I must mention. I think you were doing your movie Jab Tak Hai Jaan, and you were one of the judges for our finals. And Bala Saheb Thackeray had passed away. As a mark of respect, we had to stop the shooting. And for the next few days we couldn't have the show, and we had to postpone our finale. The movie was released. There was no need for Shah Rukh to come back and continue with the show because the integration was not necessary 2 weeks later. But Shah Rukh came back. He not only came back, he made sure the other co-stars also came for the finale, and that's how finale happened. Not only that, I mean, the professionalism of this man is seen from the fact he asked for the tapes and he made sure that they were in the same clothes for Kanchita Khan for you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir. And the main reason is because मैं राज नायक को बोलता रहा यार कि मुझको कलर्स में काम दो एक एपिसोड से ज़्यादा, तो मुझे एक एपिसोड के लिए जैसे अभी बुलाया है 6 दिसंबर को, तो अभी ऐसा बुलाया तो उस वक्त मुझे चांस मिला कि दूसरे एपिसोड में आ जाऊँ, इसलिए आ गया था मैं, और कोई रीज़न नहीं. But thank you for